Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeShop. I still have a puzzle on my screen. I got this a little while ago and I completely forgot about it. So this is from MoYu. It's kind of a clone or similar to but this, I thought these turned, but they didn't. Maybe it's not a copy of something because I thought it turned like that. Wait, how does this turn? Okay, this is very different than I thought. It looked like these turn, but they don't. This turns. So the axis is in the center. Wait a second. Does it say anything in English that I could read? No. This is very different than I thought. It's like a 3x3 because we've got corner, corner, corner with 3 colors. Edges with 2 colors. So there's just no center. So this almost reminds me of, there's a puzzle that I think it's also MoYu has done where there's some odd angle. Let me see if I can find this. Okay, I have no idea where it is. I'll put a picture of it in this video so you can see what I'm talking about. It's very much like that. It's nothing like this one, which is what I thought it was, because it looks pretty much identical. It's not at all like that. This is a 3x3. It's just missing the centers, and the shape's kind of odd. So let's do a solve. Since it's missing the centers, we could have 2 edges or 2 corners out of place. It's not a parity in a sense. I guess it'd be more of a false equivalence. I might do a whole video on what parity is. I've already made a couple videos talking about that, but I just reiterating a couple times what parity is, maybe go into more detail so people know, because people mistakenly think parity is just things that don't normally occur in a 3x3. Okay. Wow. Yeah. A little odd to turn. Definitely awkward to turn. That other puzzle I was relating it to is also very awkward to turn. Man, I wish I knew where it was. I'm looking at my shelf. The shelf I think it should be on. It's not, but I moved some things around just to make it a little more aesthetically pleasing, which doesn't really matter so much anymore because this is an old image behind me. Okay, so let's try to solve this. So we'll just assume this is white, and let's do we'll do CFOP. I think Ru. Ru would be a little difficult. I mean, I guess we could do Ru. I'll do a CFOP and then a Ru solve, because I know people will ask for it. Okay, so cross is done. So then let's, we could do F2L. There. There. I wonder what my dog is barking about. Should I check? Maybe I should. There we go. I messed up that pair. Okay. Oh, my other dog is panicking now. He's like, I'm a good boy. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, they're just both hanging out in here now. This looks like it's going to have an issue because this is an R perm, but then we have another pair back here. So there we go. And then we have those 2 edges, which we could solve with a void cube algorithm, or another way you could do it is just turn the whole puzzle like this and then solve these edges here. So either one of those can work, solving it like that. Yeah, we could do that way. Let's do that algorithm. That'll be faster. I can't remember if that just need to be in the back or not, but it's something like M prime U, M prime U, M prime U prime, M prime U prime, M prime U2, M prime U prime, M prime U prime. Yep, then we have a U perm. Wow, this is not at all what I thought. Kind of fun to use. Okay, let's do a Ru solve. This is... I didn't touch this one for a little bit. I remember putting it aside because I was really exhausted. If you remember, there was a series of unboxings and things where I was just tired. One of the videos I even said, I was like, I'm sorry. And I didn't touch this one because I'm like, I don't want to have to make a video. I'm just like, yeah, they just copied this other thing. They didn't copy. I guess it's very similar to the other design they did, or just similar idea. I don't think it's that much similar because the corners in the other one were really jagged. The edges are kind of jagged. Okay, so a roux solve. Here we go. Okay, so we've got that. Again, there's no center to line it up with, so I guess I just need to look for sort of blue and red edge, and then blue orange and blue orange yellow. So there's that and there's this. Okay, so something like, actually, I could just do this, and then I lost track of the other edge. Okay, there we go. What's going on here? Okay, yeah, that's a little odd to look at. No, I want to do that. So we have this one, and then here and here. Okay, so then we have a CMLL. Two edges misoriented. Try to do an EOLR. There we go. Awesome. Actually, I think roux might have been slightly easier. Gave us a lot more opportunities without knowing the centers. So this is a fun puzzle. If you want something that's, similar to 3x3, basically it's a void cube, but it looks really funky and weird. Get this. That's a lot of fun. It's on sale now. It's for sale now at SpeedCubeShop. I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and so stop by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews.